Did you know that while you're shedding pounds on weight loss medications like semaglutide, you might also be losing something way more important: your strength? Losing weight with medications like Wegovy and Ozempic sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. Rapid weight loss can lead to something you probably didn't expect: muscle loss. Without the right nutrition and exercise, you don't just lose fat, you lose the very muscle that keeps you strong and energized. And rebuilding that muscle? Way harder than you think. If you're on semaglutide or considering it, this video is your ultimate guide to keeping your strength, energy, and long-term health intact. Let's dive in. First up, protein. It's the unsung hero of weight loss. Semaglutide lowers your appetite, which might sound great at first. But here's the problem. When you eat less without prioritizing protein, your body doesn't just burn fat, it starts breaking down muscle. Think of protein as the building blocks your body needs to protect and repair muscle. Nutritionists now recommend high-protein meal plans specifically for people on semaglutide. And here's why. Skipping protein is like trying to build a house without bricks. It just doesn't work. So what can you do? Make protein the star of every meal. Think chicken, fish, tofu, Greek yogurt, whatever works for you. And remember, small appetite or big appetite, your protein target comes first. Next, let's talk about resistance training. If you're just relying on cardio or cutting calories, you're missing the mark. Losing weight without lifting weights almost always leads to muscle loss. Here's the deal. Resistance training isn't just for bodybuilders. Simple exercises like squats, rows, or even resistance bands can help you maintain and even build your strength. Think of it this way. Skipping resistance training is like throwing away all the hard work you're putting in. You're not just losing fat, you're losing the muscle that keeps you strong and healthy. Companies like Eli Lilly are testing revolutionary combinations like semaglutide and bimagrumab to target fat loss while preserving muscle. It's a game changer, but here's the catch. These treatments aren't available yet. Until then, it's up to you to protect your muscle the old school way with smart eating and strength training. Are you a medical professional looking to transform lives and grow your practice? Join IAPAM's medical weight management training to master cutting-edge techniques like semaglutide and help your patients achieve lasting results.